Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update water heater ROI using Energy Star calculators, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update the return on investment for your water heater using Energy Star calculators, begin by gathering essential information about your current water heater. Locate the specifications of your existing water heater, including its age, fuel type, and efficiency rating. Next, assess your current energy costs by reviewing your latest utility bills. Identify the average daily hot water usage in your household, measured in gallons. Now, research the latest Energy Star certified water heaters available in the market. From the Energy Star website, find the product listings for water heaters to compare their energy efficiency ratings. Select a few models that meet your needs based on capacity and energy efficiency. Record the estimated annual operating cost for each of these models, as provided on the Energy Star website. Using the gathered data, determine the savings potential by subtracting the estimated annual operating cost of the new models from your current expenses. Calculate the initial investment required for the new water heater, including installation costs. To find the payback period, divide the initial investment by the annual savings. This will give you a clear view of how long it will take for the new water heater to pay for itself. Next, review any available rebates or incentives for upgrading to an Energy Star certified model. Make sure to factor these savings into your overall calculations. You can now summarize your findings, clearly mapping out potential savings and payback periods. This analysis will help you make an informed decision about updating your water heater. Finally, document all your findings in a report format for easy reference in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.